Helping mommy knit? Huh? Helping mommy knit? Making these little knots? We gotta make these little knots. Let's make these little knots. Let's start knitting them together. Gotta start weaving them together. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm getting them all knitted together. You got it? Are you done? Are you all done? Are you done working? Are you all done working? Okay, let's finish knitting. Finish knitting. Are you all done? Are you all done? Gotta make these little knots like this. Here we go. Let's finish these little knots. There we go. There we go. Let's finish these little knots. Yeah. Make these little knots. There we go. There. How's that? Is it done? Is it all done?